Hey everyone, welcome back to By Ambition. In this video, I'll show you how to set up Night Shift on a Mac. Night Shift reduces blue light and makes your screen easier on your eyes at night. So let's get started. Step 1. First, click the Apple menu in the top left corner and select System Settings. Step 2. In System Settings, click Displays. Step 3. Click Night Shift on the right side of the window. It's going to be at the bottom right here. Step 4. You can toggle Night Shift on by clicking the Schedule button right here. Step 5. Click the drop down and choose Sunset to Sunrise. Or you can change it to Custom, when you can just put your time here. Step 6. Use the color temperature slider to make the screen warmer or cooler by sliding right here. Then click Done. And that's how you set up Night Shift on a Mac. If this video helped, like the video, subscribe to By Ambition, and I'll see you in the next one.